Yo bro, welcome to my stream, glad to see you here. Let's do this.
How may I help you, Commander?
Is there anything I should know?
Nothing right now. Anything else, Commander?
That'll be all.
It's always nice chatting with you.
Which cluster is this? I can't remember. Ah, Ilium. Right. I found it!
Probe launched.
Moderate resources. Yeah, we've got Element Zero here.
Launching probe.
The place we've landed is the richest Element Zero deposit we found here.
Probe away.
Let's see if we can find some more. Frankly, we don't even need all the other resources. We're good till the end of the game, in fact. I don't think that any other upgrades will consume as much. Not even a half of what we have.
Launching probe. Launching probe. Probe away.
Shit. There was an Element Zero deposit and I didn't prioritize on Element Zero. Well, that sucks. Oh hey, this is... I think this is even richer than we found initially.
Probe launched. Probe away.
For moderate scanner results, we've used an alarming amount of probes.
Probe away. Launching probe.
Oh well, it's depleted now. Now let's quickly see if there's any element 0 left. This deposit might contain some. Let's try.
Probe launched.
Nah, it didn't. Of course it didn't. None found. Good. On to the next planet. Etho. Etho is a rocky world with an atmosphere of oxygen and carbon dioxide. There are large craters scattered across its surface, obviously from hypervelocity kinetic impactors. Stretching between these locations are the shattered remains of magnetic levitation rail lines, which strongly suggest the craters represent the former locations of Artheni mining outposts or other settlements. The equatorial region contains an extensive network of canyons formed by the planet's abundant liquid water. Travel advisory. Etho's atmosphere is approximately 41% carbon dioxide at sea level. This level is 4 to 6 times than necessary to render most species unconscious within a few minutes of breathing it. Breathing masks must be worn at all times when on the surface of Etho. Orbital distance 1.56 astronomical units, orbital period 2.22 Earth years, radius 8,031 kilometers, day length 70 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure almost 1 Earth atmosphere, surface temperature minus 41 Celsius, 12 at equator, surface gravity 1 G. Hey, moderate terraforming in this planet is ready for exploration and ready for settlement.
Probe launched.
They have terraformal technologies. I think they just adjust the planet's atmosphere content to a more breathable state.
Probe launched.
Although that might prove unnecessary.
Probe launched. Launching probe. Probe away. Probe launched. Probe launched.
Yeah, it's depleted now. Nice. And we've got 22 probes left. Galon. is surrounded by an extensive ring system. The inner rings are composed pulverized nano-manufactured carbon materials, thought to be the remains of an Athena helium-3 mining infrastructure. The few pieces of larger debris found indicate materials technology at least equal to the current galactic state of the art. The outer rings consist of water ice, silicate dust, and the odd bit of rock. Analysis of the debris often show shock damage and evidence of rapid heating. Some parahistorical theorists insist that the outer rings represent debris from a moon or moons destroyed by mass accelerator bombardment. This has been rejected by every reputable xenoarchaeologist. While it is theoretically possible to destroy a small moon utterly with dreadnought bombardment, no species sees a compelling reason to do so. Orbital distance 2.96 astronomical units, orbital period 5.7 Earth years, radius 63,539 kilometers, day length 8.9 Earth hours. Moderate resources. If there was any technology even on the rings of this planet,
Probe launched.
there's supposed to be some element 0 here somewhere, right?
Launching probe. Launching probe. Probe away. Probe launched.
What? That wasn't even an abundant deposit? What the fuck?
Probe away.
Oh, it's depleted now. Launched like 6 probes at it. And no element 0 could be detected. Oh well. That's gonna do it for this star system. Right, on to the next one. Lucerne. It looks like big, but it's not. Johntown is a fairly standard close-orbiting Pegasus gas giant, orbiting the star Lucerne at high velocity and heated to temperatures of over 1000 degrees. Analysis of its orbit has revealed a core of heavy elements with a mass double that of the planet's hydrogen-helium atmosphere. Orbital distance 0.2 astronomical units, orbital period 25 Earth days, radius 67,428 kilometers, day length 25 Earth days. The scanner results are good. What the fuck? Now where can I find a good deposit? Well, that's the first one. Alright.
Launching probe.
That's the second one.
Probe away. Probe away. Probe launched. Launching probe. Probe away.
Well, the previous gas giant was like 6 probes and that's it. Now this one is at 7th probe and it still has something in it. Come on, it's barely level 4. Is there anything bigger here? I don't know, like spike in activity with my scanner. Come on, do something. Level 4. Now what was that? Oh, level 5, right.
Probe away.
Yes!
Launching probe.
We're down to 7 probes. On to the next planet. Euntanta is remarkably close to Earth. Its orbital distance is similar, and while slightly larger, its reduced density yields similar mass, atmospheric pressure, and gravity. There the similarities ends, for Lucerne is a hot class F star, emitting over 8 times the energy of Sol. Euntanta is parched wasteland. It's waterlogged since boiled away into its nitrogen carbon dioxide atmosphere. A handful of mining outposts dot the hellishly hot surface. The crews remain in underground bunkers, sending remotely controlled machines out at night to do surface work and load cargo for shipment. Population 230. Orbital distance 1.404 astronomical units. Orbital period 0.3 Earth years. Radius 7,740 kilometers. Day length 24.2 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure almost 1 at Earth atmosphere. Surface temperature 415 Celsius. Surface gravity 1 G. And it's rich with resources. Eee.
Probe away.
I feel that with our remaining 6 probes, we won't get it to depleted state.
Launching probe. Launching probe. Probe launched. Probe launched. Probe away.
Out of probes now. I must admit, my current playthrough is better than the first one, by the mostly because I have managed to acquire all those upgrades before I explored everything in this game. Yeah, this system has only 3 planets. That's good. And on our way back, we'll scan the Lucerne system with what's left from scanning this one. There's many. Cold, dim and shrouded by a methane ammonia atmosphere, Zasmania has nevertheless attracted development by Asari mining concerns that service military industries. There are significant loads of valuable light metals present, including titanium and lithium. Titanium is the primary material used in mass accelerator slugs, and lithium is used in the military-grade droplet heat radiators used aboard warships. Population 620, orbital distance 0.8 astronomical units, orbital period 1.3 Earth years, radius 5,806 km, day length 37.6 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 0.64 Earth atmosphere, surface temperature minus 119 Celsius, surface gravity 0.66 G.
Probe away. Launching probe. Probe launched. Launching probe. Probe away. Launching probe. Probe launched. Launching probe. Probe launched. Launching probe. Probe away.
What, 12 probes isn't enough? Right, the plan was rich. You must admire that. Where the hell is this last oh, there it is. Probably. Apparently he's level 5.
Launching probe.
Yes! Okay, area. For nearly the size of Earth, Achaeria contains only 28% of its mass. It has a trace atmosphere of neon and molecular nitrogen, but the predominant carbon dioxide has long since frozen and fallen to the surface as frost. While Achaeria has a core of heavy metals, the bulk of the planet's volume consists of water ice. Several unique forms of long-chain carbon molecules have been recovered on the surface, pushed up from beneath the ice by cryovolcanic processes. Achaeria has a large rocky moon compositionally similar to Luna. Orbital distance 1.68 astronomical units, orbital period 4 Earth years, radius 6,272 kilometers, day length 36.2 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure trace, surface temperature minus 178 Celsius, surface gravity 0.38 G. And it's rich with resources. Again. What a good system.
Launching probe.
No element zero though. Primarily that's why we are here. We've arrived for element zero. Where the fuck is it?
Probe launched. Launching probe. Launching probe. Probe launched. Probe launched. Probe launched. Probe launched.
Come on. There's supposed to be something here. It was rich. That's not how I define rich.
Probe launched.
Oh, finally. Maysooth. Farther from the dim red dwarf on Deste, the ice dwarf Maysooth has attracted no interest beyond the cursory flyby by automated probe in 1874. No significant resources were noted. Orbital distance 2.35 astronomical units, orbital period 6.6 Earth years, radius 3,893 kilometers, day length 54.7 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure trace, surface temperature minus 194 Celsius, surface gravity a quarter G. Oh well. Hey, it's good results.
Probe launched.
Nothing significant found. But I did.
Launching probe.
I guess Shepard may as well count on a good retirement plan
Launching probe.
for his mining expeditions.
Probe away. Probe away. Probe launched. Launching probe. Probe away. Probe away.
It wasn't jackpot. Well, to my standards, I'd agree.
Probe away. Probe away. Probe launched.
Right. That's gonna do it for this star system.
Probe launched.
What? Even... Alright. Get another deposit.
Probe launched.
Yay! Alright, let's check this asteroid belt. Oh well, nothing. Dore. Is a large hot world with a poisonous atmosphere of acidic nitrogen oxides. While the planet is too close to Lucerne for this to condense and fall as rain, this makes the environment too hostile for forms of life more sophisticated than bacteria to evolve. Orbital distance 2.48 astronomical units, orbital period 3 Earth years, radius 8,700 kilometers, day length 63 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 1.17 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature 204 Celsius, surface gravity 1.2 G. Scan results are good.
Probe launched. Probe launched. Probe launched. Probe away. Probe launched. Launching probe. Probe away.
It's done to moderate.
Probe launched. Probe launched.
Depleted already? Nice. Ten probes, 2 planets. Well, that's tough.
Anomaly detected.
Tareth. Is broadly Earth-like with a fatal flaw. It has a relatively high amount of chlorine in its atmosphere. The reason for the greenish haze had become apparent when looking at the horizon. Chlorine has become a vital component in Terran's plant life. As a defense mechanism against native herbivores, many species evolved the ability to release clouds of toxic chlorine when disturbed. This gas is heavier than the atmospheric oxygen and tends to settle in low places. While avoidable, this has placed Tareth near the bottom of the list for colonization. There are intermittent signals orbiting in the heart of a large chlorine swamp. They appear to be coded, though it is not impossible that they are garbled distress signal from a downed civilian ship. Orbital distance 7.8 astronomic units, orbital period 16.7 Earth years, radius 5,677 kilometers, their length 27.7 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 0.84 Earth atmosphere, surface temperature 21 Celsius, surface gravity 0.87 G. This gas is heavier than your axis, people clown.
We're just waiting on the weapons at this point. They'll never know what hit them. The Vorcha are hungry for battle. We're just waiting on the weapons at this point. They'll never know what hit them. The Vorcha are hungry.
Probe launched.
Eclipse mercenaries again.
Something on our sensors.
Mission. Anomaly detected. Preliminary scans indicated high-powered communications relay on the planet. Communications match non-blood-pact mercenary protocols. A concentration of Krogan and Vorcha signals are masked inside what appears to be a mining operation. Life signs detected. Unknown species. Advise caution. Alright, we're taking our lizard with us. He can survive in such environments. Right, who's next? Mr. Jesse? Jack? It's been a while since last time we talked Kasumi with us. Yeah. Flashbang grenade. Disorienting concussive charge is thrown that inflicts minor damage and incapacitates all nearby targets. Both delicate electronics and enemy nervous systems are temporarily disabled, causing weapon overheats, omnitril jams, and difficulties in using biotic powers. That is actually a nice skill. Yeah, heavy overload. Incendiary ammo. Yeah, let's evolve that. Well, Kasumi, what's your weapons? Tempest. Yeah, take the Locust. Take the Phalanx. You deserve the best. fuck is that? Are we going to fight that?
The fog on the planet's surface is interfering with your navigation. The nearby beacon towers may serve as a navigational contingency.
Activate beacon. Use datapad.
Wow. What happened here?
I don't know, you tell me. Attention all workers, stop chipping away at this node. There's nothing left here to mine. Move on to the other sites. Now, sell them all. Yep. Weehee! I don't think it was a good idea. We have another beacon.
Toxic atmosphere. Stings a bit.
Why do you have your heavy suit?
We've got company.
Replay.
Stings. Sorry, people clown.
Too late. Now you're dead.
The other one. Where did it go? And where's Kasumi? It's really a bad place to play hide and seek. Raw materials. Take. 400 platinum. Where the fuck is Kasumi? Oh, there you are. It's really a bad place to play hide and seek.
Incoming.
Where? Use Shadow Strike at it. Come on! Where's the Shadow Strike? What if I shoot at it? The only shot I fired and it wasn't even at the enemy. What? Have I heard other shots? It's really a bad idea that they are playing hide and seek here. These creatures are susceptible to biotic powers. The compass says nothing. Right, supposedly we should go over here.
What were these people doing here?
Maybe this datapad will tell us. Attention all walkers, fall back now. Evacuation shuttles are on the way. Anyone not at the damn gathering site when the shuttles arrive will be left here with those damn bugs. Sell them all.
Looks like we just missed the fun.
Missed the fun? Oh, your own fun, right? I have a feeling that we'll have some fun. And it will be very soon. This fog is dense here. Cool. Platinum. Will we fight it? I don't think I have enough ammunition, but still. That might be the only
Time to
opportunity.
fight!
I can see that my team also conserves ammo. Probably it's a wise move. Salmol, I can't get any more Vorcha from Omega. Garm has his own problems. You're going to have to map up and deal with this on your own. Maybe build a beacon path. I bet those damn Vorcha are just wandering off into the fog and getting lost. Kalusk. Maybe because they have just hired some damn amateurs to deal with the problems. $400 platinum. Thermal clip. Well, somebody got lost.
Up ahead!
Datapad. Salamo, where are the resources? Are you mining out there or standing around waiting for those Vorcha to get smarter? Or our guy on Ilium can't keep the lights off forever? You keep stalling and we'll have a hell of a fight on the way in. And that would make me really, really angry. Kalusk. There is another beacon to activate. It goes this way, but we'll just do it. What?
We've got company.
That one had armor on him. That wasn't really a smart move. If I see any humanoid here and I had problems with bugs, I'd actually hail the humans or other humanoids and asked for assistance. They had one dead body there, meaning that they experienced problems on the way there. I can hear gunshots.
Coming from the right.
Enemy charging!
It's a biotic barrier. Okay, Mr. Selenol. They had a ship, and it took off. And judging by the situation, it was the last ship out of here. Mission summary: encountered unclassified hostile alien species, eliminated Bloodpack forces. And that's it? What was all that about? In total, credits earned 7,500. Platinum found 2,000. Time for you to go to sleep. Eh. Oh well, at least we punched through some weird animals. Right, Kelly, what do you think?
How may I help you, Commander?
Is there anything I should know?
You have unread messages at your private terminal. Anything else, Commander?
That'll be all.
I'll be here if you need anything. Commander, you've received a new message at your private terminal.
Bloodpack facility detected. From Cerberus Command, Planet Information, Zadaban, Z-Chas System, Shrike Abyssal. We have decrypted and analyzed the data you recovered from the relay on Tareth. The resources mined on Tareth were being sent to Zadaban, presumably for use in weapons manufacture. It's clear that the Bloodpack is planning a large-scale invasion. Disrupting the operation on Zadaban will go a long way toward delaying or preventing this invasion. Let's go and talk to Joker. And we'll call it his stream.
Commander.
I assume everything is going well up here?
Good for now. Fractured my thumb on the mute, but I think I made my point.
What do you think about the people we're picking up?
Well, about the ones you went out with last, Grunt is not a stabilizing element, Commander. I like Kasumi, but Why do I feel like I need to check the Citadel for parts she may have pawned? It's just my opinion, though. There's really no need to go spreading it around.
That's it for now.
See you, Commander.
Jungler. Jungler. Right, this is gonna do it for tonight. I thank you everyone for watching. Hope that you enjoyed as much as I did. Wish you good night, sweet dreams, and we're raiding out. Huh. My browser was offline. That's kind of fun. And I'd say it was rather smart. I have so many open tabs that it would probably do something with my game performance. Not much, but still. Come on, Twitch, load. There. Now, who's out there to be raided out to? Gold Vovka just chatting. What exactly is he chatting about? Nah, he's watching some movies. It looks kinda okay. But I don't think that what we are about to raid out to. Mithril plays Dark Souls. Well, that's gonna be fun, I guess. So, we're raiding out to... What do they mean Mithril is unavailable? Let's see if I can raid out to him. The knock-knock mechanism is offline. But we're starting a raid to him, so I thank you again for watching. Hope that you enjoyed as much as I did. Wish you good night, sweet dreams. We're raiding out to Mithril, who's playing Dark Souls Day 1, meaning he's just started the game. And until next time, everyone, bye!